Sinabi mo kanina, after nung nag-usap kayo ni Yusik Ulaybar, paragraph 23, sometime 2024, Yusik Ulaybar personally called me for a meeting to discuss about unprogrammed appropriation, supposedly for the Office of the Executive Secretary. In the said meeting, he requested me to submit a list of projects. Ngayon na, sino ba ito Executive Secretary na sinasabi mo?
Mr. Chair, ang nabanggit lang po niya Executive Secretary pero actually wala naman po siyang sinabi kung sinong Executive Secretary.
Ilan bang Executive Secretary ng Pilipinas?
Ang alam ko po nung during that time was Bersamin. Yun
Sino?
Bersamin po, Bersamin.
Executive Secretary Bersamin. Then after that, sabi mo, wala ka nang hindi mo na alam kung ano nangyari, pero meron ka pa rin succeeding declaration dito na nagsabi ka na paragraph 26, thereafter, DPWH received a special allotment release order, SARO, for 2.85 billion for the projects listed in Annex B. Ito ba yung Annex B na listahan na sinabmit ni Engineer Alcantara?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So ito yung supposedly na projects for the Executive Secretary?
Yun po ang sabi ni Ulaybar.